Hey guys, it's RJ. I will be doing a tutorial today. And today's tutorial is oh yeah, bird. Yeah. So so today's tutorial is bird. So here we go. Let's do it. Alright, today I'll be standing sideways so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, bird is the process of getting this hole right here to lay right on top of the big cup and lay against the ball to lay against the spike like that. Step one, you want to hold the ball. Well, I have my hands like this, these fingers right here, and have my thumb on the cup. Yeah, that's just how I do it. Some people do it like that. I could do that too good. Yeah, have your thumb on a cup. Well, I have my thumb on the cup. Hold the ball still. The thing that helps me is the hole that the string goes in. I'll look at that to see if it's still, it's not moving. Like that. And pop it up straight up, just like you're doing spike. But catch it right there. Here's an example. Like that. Alright, and here's me doing it. Dang it. There you go. When you get bird, you could do whatever you want. Do some combos, I don't care. You could flip it like that, get it on there. Or you could just go for over valley. But that's going to be another tutorial how to do over valley. So, yeah. Get the process, and you'll be a bird pro.